All right, we are moving into Chapter 2, Lesson 1, Percent of a Number, and we are on page 103 of your Volume 1 book. So we have some students that are collecting money for a local pet shelter. The model shows that they have raised 60% of their $2,000 goal, which is $1,200. And the first part says fill in the decimal and fractional equivalents for each of the percents shown in the model. So here's your table. And the way you go from a percent to a decimal is to move your decimal 2 places to the left. If you'll notice for 80%, 2 places to the left is 0.8. 60%, 2 places to the left is 0.60. 2 places to the left, 0.40. 2 places to the left, 0.20. Now, percents are always out of 100, so you can put your percent over 100 for your fraction and then just reduce like you normally do. Now, they have already fundraised 60% of their goal. So in number 2 down here, they're asking you to write 2 multiplication sentences that are equal to 60% of $2,000. So like I just said, you can use the decimal form or you can use the fraction form. And of means to multiply. So you just take those, multiply by 2,000, and you would get your 1,200, which is the money they have already raised. All right, go to the next page then, page 104. So if you look at A and C here, again, you're taking your decimal 2 places to the left. So for A, 40% is 0.40. And for C, 55% is 0.55. Your ofs mean times. So you do your multiplication and you get your answer. Now your answer should be less than the number they're giving you because you're finding a piece of the number. 40% is part of a number. 55% is part of a number. Anything less than 100% is going to give you a smaller number. All right, oops. Look at B and D then. 15%, 0.15. And 75%, 0.75. Again, your of means to multiply, and you get your answer then. All right, on the next page then we have percents greater than 100%. So again, even though they're greater than 100%, you're going to move your decimal 2 places to the left, which would be 1.5. And you can put the 0 at the end if you want. So if you look at the bottom here, 150% of 20, 2 places to the left give you 1.50, and you're multiplying that by 20, and you're going to get a bigger number because your percent is higher than 100%, so you get 30. And letter F, 160%, 2 places to the left is 1.60 times 35. You should get a number bigger than 35 since it's over 100%. And you do get 56. Okay, and then the last one then is letter G, 4% commission. Commission is what they earn on their sales. And the hot tub was $3,755. Be very careful with 4%. You don't want 0.4. 2 places to the left would be 0.04. And you would multiply that by $3,755. And that gives you $150.20 is what he earned on the sale of the hot tub.